Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Mira's World here. I can't believe I did a full-blown house tour video without an intro, and that is outrageous. So I have been having fun, and I hung out with the girls, and we booked an apartment, a shortlet apartment here in Lagos, somewhere around Lekki, and I did a house tour because I liked how the apartment looked. And bro, I forgot to do an intro. So here is me writing my wrongs and dotting my I's. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys what a 2-bedroom shortlet apartment here in Lekki, Lagos looks like and how much it costs. So we rented a 2-bedroom for 60,000, but we got a 5k discount. So this is basically what a 60,000 naira 2-bedroom shortlet apartment looks like here in Lagos, Nigeria. Yeah. So for some reason, including publicity and advert, I did not want to show the entire building. But yeah, coming into this place, there's a lift downstairs that takes you upstairs, and then there's this access control over there that lets you get into the flat. And once you get into the flat, here is what the parlor looks like. So there's a kitchen on the right hand side, and we'll look at that later. So let me show you guys what the parlor looks like. Getting into here, you will see this mini dining on the right hand side, and then beautiful artworks, and then this fine chandelier. It looks so fine. Well, unfortunately, it doesn't look like the bulb is working, bro. And then there's a mirror on the left hand side. Let me just show you guys. That's my leg. I don't think I was properly dressed, so you're not gonna be seeing me. And I've forgotten what that game is called. And then there are so many word games here. There's Scrabble, chess, Ludo. I mean, something to keep people in the house busy. Yeah. And there's the couch. Then this flower that has perfume that you put ink on. And then this beautiful artwork with a clock on top of it. Then see the lightning, bro. This looks beautiful. Another set is here, and there's an AC, of course. And then there's this window from edge to edge, and the beautiful curtain. There's another lightning here. Another couch. I mean, one thing I like about this parlor is that it is really way spacious. I don't know if they allow house parties here, but it looks like something that can go for that. And then this is the TV area. There are so many decor, as you can see, and yeah, everywhere looks pretty nice. There's a flower, of course it's a fake flower though. So basically, this is what it is about the sitting room. My bad, I forgot to show you guys the internet that is there. They have the Wi-Fi over there, telephone, another set of light for reading, and then this decor that has a mirror stuff on it looks fine. And then these 2 doors leads to the room, which I will show you later on. And then there is a scale. Oh my god, I tried checking my weight and it's something I should be concerned about. And then there is a visitor's toilet in the parlor as well, and this is basically what it looks like. So basically, I think everywhere is furnished real good, and I didn't have any problem with the furnishing. Let me show you what outside looks like a bit from the window. That is it, and ta-da! We are completely done with the sitting room. So basically, this is what it looks like from afar. So we're going to be checking out this room first. I don't know which is the master bedroom, but let's just go in and see. Wow. So basically, this is what this room looks like. Entering it, there's a mirror here. And yeah, that's me saying hi, hello. Disregard what I'm putting on, but it's all good. It's a lazy day. So yeah, there's an AC here. There's this beautiful artwork over here. And then there's this cozy, cool spring bed. The bed is so comfy, bro. And then there's this bedside lamp, and then this wardrobe. Of course, I'm not going to be opening it. There's another bedside lamp on the left hand side, and a window. Of course, there should be a window in every room. Yes. So we're going to be entering the toilet, but before then there's a TV here just in case you want to stay in the room and have fun without coming to the sitting room. Yeah, entering the toilet, of course, there is also a mirror here. I mean, yeah. And then basically, this is what the toilet looks like. This is the water closet itself. There is a tissue, there's a dustbin, there is a water heater, and then basic stuff that needs to be there in a toilet, and then by my left hand side is the bathroom, there is the shower, and then I love the pop and lighting. So basically that's what it is for this room. So we're going to be checking out the second room, which is what I deduced to be the master's bedroom. There's this beautiful lightning that changes color. Of course, it's in the other room. I just did not spot it on time here. And then, entering here, you will just see that there is a wardrobe by the left hand side, which I'm not going to be opening as well. There is this cozy bed as well. Like, this bed is so comfy. It's a spring bed as well. And then on the left and right hand side, you will find the bedside lamps, and and then there is this beautiful artwork over here. Looks so fine. And then of course there's always an AC. So basically this is what this room looks like. Let me try to put on this light and see if it works. Oh, looks like it does. Why is it blinking, bro? Yeah, so it works. So basically this is what it looks like. And then there is a television here, and you also have its own DSTV. This is the only reason I am believing this is the master's bedroom. Let us check out the bathroom. Here's the bathroom. There's a heater. There's this stove that I don't know what it does. Just pardon me. This is the water closet itself. And then the main bathroom is almost the same thing like the other one. I mean, nothing extraordinary, just almost the same, So basically that is it for this room. I also forgot to tell you guys that cleaners do come every like 2 days to clean the apartment if you are staying here for a longer period of time. And last but not the least, I'm going to be showing you guys the kitchen. There's this gas here, there's a blender. That's my honey that is almost done. It's almost finished here. There's something to boil water, plates, microwave, fridge, every kitchen utensils, dustbin, and then stuffs that you need in the kitchen, cups, plates, and a whole lot. Microwave, this bread toaster. I mean, they have a complete kitchen set. So if you're here, you're just gonna have fun and not lack anything. That's the fridge. I know we've loaded with a few stuff. Why am I even talking too much? Anyways, guys, that is what it is about these 2-bedroom apartments. So that brings us to the end of this amazing video. Let me know what you think about the apartment. Is it what 60,000 naira? 60,000 naira in bank rate is about $105. In black market rate, it's about 80, if not less, dollars. So naira is actually in the state of Amazon Keme. That means in Delhi Malaki, it's just going down. It's just devaluating, and it is really insane. Anyways, let me not digress. I love what the apartment looks like, even though at some point we had some issues with the apartment, and some was resolved, some wearings, but it's just cool. Like, this is not an advert. I'm just like trying to show you what living in Lagos looks like. So if you love this video, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Until then, bye.